Feel the Way I Do is a 2-wall dance, so we just dance on the front and back wall. We're going to start stepping on the right, kick the left, step the left down and touch the right behind, and we do that again, step, kick, back, touch. So let's just put those together from the top, leading with the right, ready and step, kick, back, touch, step, kick, back, touch. We're now going to step the right towards the right diagonal, and we're going to slide the left to the right, equal weight down both legs, and then we're going to raise the heels up twice for what we call heel bounces, bounce, bounce. Then we're going to mirror that to the left, stepping the left to the left diagonal, slide the right to the left, step it down, equal weight, and 2 heel bounces, bounce, bounce. Okay, so that last bit, we step towards the right and slide the left, ready, and step, slide, bounce, bounce, step, slide, bounce, bounce. Let's put it together from the beginning, starting with your step kick, leading with your right. Ready, and step, kick, back, touch, step, kick, back, touch, step, slide, bounce, bounce, step, slide, bounce, bounce. Now we're going to step back on the right diagonal with the right, slide the left to the right, and this time don't put any weight in it. Then we mirror that to the left, stepping back on the left, slide the right, don't put any weight in it. Okay? So, we came back on the right diagonal, slide the left, no weight. Go back on the left, slide the right, no weight. Let's add that on from the top. Step, kick, leading with your right. Ready, and step, kick, back, touch, step, kick, back, touch, step, slide, bounce, bounce, step, slide, bounce, bounce, back, slide. The weight is free in the right. Now we're going to walk round in an arc to the back wall. 4 walks, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. You've come to the back wall and you finish with a grapevine to the right, followed by a grapevine to the left. So grapevine to the right, side, behind, side, touch. Now to the left, side, behind, side, touch. Okay, so to recap that last section, you had the weight in the left, the right was free, you walk around a semicircle, right, left, 4 walks, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, grapevine, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. Let's add it all together from the top. Step, kick, leading with your right, ready, and step, kick, back, touch, step, kick, back, touch, step, slide, bounce, bounce, step, slide, bounce, bounce, back, slide, walking around 1, 2, 3, 4, grapevine, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. And that's the routine for Feel the Way I Do. Now let's have a go at the back wall, Feel the Way I Do. So you're facing 6 o'clock, you're going to start with your step, kick, back, touch, leading with your right. 5, 6, 7, and step, kick, back, touch, step, kick, back, touch, step, slide, bounce, bounce, step, slide, bounce, bounce, back, slide, walking around over your right shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, grapevine, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. Okay, now we're going to practice the link. So you finished with the grapevine to the left, side, behind, side, touch. You start the dance again, step, kick, back, touch. Okay, so let's just do that again. Together, ready, and side, behind, side, touch, step, kick, back, touch, step, kick, back, touch, and so on. Now, in this dance, we have 3 tags. They happen at the end of wall 2, the end of wall 4, and wall 7. So the first 2 times they happen, you'll be facing the front, and the 3rd time you'll be facing the back. It's a nice, easy little tag. We just have 4 beats of music to fill up, and we do that with hip bumps. So we're going to bump into the right hip, left hip, left hip, making sure the last bump ends up with all the weight down the left leg, so you can start the dance again with your step, kick, back, touch. So at the end of wall 2, when you come round to the front, is that side, behind, side, touch. Instead of going into the dance again, you do your tag, bumping right, left, and then you start step, kick, back, touch. Okay, so let's just practice. We'll pretend we're coming from wall 2. So we start facing the back. Step, kick, back, touch. Ready? And step, kick, back, touch. Step, kick, back, touch. Step, slide, bounce, bounce. Step, slide, bounce, bounce. Back, slide, backside. Walking around. 1, 2, 3, 4. Grapevine, side, behind, side, touch. Side, behind, side, touch. Tag, bump, right, left. Step, kick, back, touch. Step, kick, back, touch. And so on. Okay, so that happens again when you come around to the front at the end of wall 4. And then it happens wall 7, so it'll be the other way around. This time you'll be facing the back. You get to hear it in the music once you're used to the track.